Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of muting a chat for 2 days in Telegram. If you want to temporarily silence a chat and avoid receiving notifications for a specific period, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open Telegram. Look for the familiar blue and white circle icon with a paper airplane inside. Tap on it to launch the Telegram app. Step 2. Tap and hold on a chat. Find the chat you wish to mute and tap and hold on it. This will activate the chat options menu. Step 3. Tap on the crossed volume icon. In the chat options menu, look for the crossed volume icon and tap on it. This will open a menu to specify the duration for muting the chat. Step 4. Specify the duration as 2 days. From the duration menu, locate the option Mute for 2 days and tap on it. This will mute the chat for the selected duration. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to mute a chat for 2 days in Telegram. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a break from notifications and focus on other important tasks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.